Morning, class 7. Today we have to talk about the comparing of rational numbers. If two rational numbers are given, then how we can check which is greater. So this concept today we are going to be discuss. There are two ways. The first one is by representing on the number line, and then second without representing on the number line. Take a look at this. Students, we are talking about comparing irrational numbers, and there are two ways to compare irrational numbers. The first by representing on number line, and second without representing on number line. Using number line, we are going to take here example, compare 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. The first number is 2 by 3 and the second number is 4 by 3, that is 1 whole 1 by 3. And now we can represent 2 by 3 in between 0 and 1, like dividing this 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts, and after 2 it is 2 by 3. And then represent 4 by 3, that is 1 whole 1 by 3, which is greater than 1 and smaller than 2. So in between 1 and 2, 1 whole 1 by 3, that is after 1 is 1. So it is 4 by 3. And you can see 4 by 3 is in the right side of the 2 by 3. And you know well, the number on the number line which is right side of the given number is greater. So 4 by 3 is greater than 2 by 3. This is the comparison. But for any set of rational number, this may be lengthy. So I am going for without a number line. Here 2 by 7 and 5 by 7 are the numbers, and here both numbers have same denominator. Because they have same denominator, so just we have to check the numerator. So the number having the greater numerator, this greater numerator is greater. That is, here the numerator is 5 and here the numerator is 2. Since 5 is greater than 2, so you can say that 5 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Again, for the next example, compare minus 6 by 17 and minus 13 by 17. You know, these are the negative numbers, and for negative numbers, the negative sign shows with the greater value or lesser. So here both numbers have same denominator, 17. So just we have to check the numerator, which is minus 6 and minus 13. And you know what I told you. Minus 6 is greater than minus 13 because they are negative integers. So minus 6 by 17 is greater than minus 13 by 17. Now once again compare minus 5 by 8 and 7 by 8. Here clearly the first number is negative and the second number is positive. And if there are two numbers in which one is negative, one is positive, you can say easily then the positive number is greater than the negative number. Clearly minus 5 by 8 is a negative number, so it is always less than a positive number. So you can say that minus 5 by 8 is less than 7 by 8, or 7 by 8 is greater than minus 5 by 8. Now, the special thing. Compare 7 by 5 and 8 by 7. Students, you can see 7 by 5 and 8 by 7 the given numbers having different denominators. So what can I do right now? So here the solution, here the number having different denominators. To compare the given numbers, we should make the denominators same. It means we have to change their denominators by finding equivalent rational numbers. So we have to take the LCM of the denominators, that is 5 and 7, which is 35, and then change 7 by 5 having the denominator 35. So 7 by 5, the numerator and denominator both multiplying by 7, 5 7 ja, 7 7 ja, 49 by 35. And 8 by 7 also written as in the denominator as 35. So I am multiplying this number by 5. 7 5 ja 35 and 8 5 ja 40. Now our numbers are 49 by 35 and 40 by 35. And clearly 49 is greater than 40. So 49 by 35 is greater than 40 by 35 because they have same denominator. Now 49 by 35 is for 7 by 5. So here I am writing 7 by 5. And 40 by 35 is for 8 by 5, 8 by 7. So I am writing here 8 by 7. Hence 7 by 5 is greater than 8 by 7. Now there is a note. Before making denominators same, change the numbers in standard form. You have to make them in standard form. Now compare 5 by 3 and 2 by 7. Here another way. We can also compare by a method called cross multiplication. Given numbers 5 by 3 and 2 by 7. Writing by cross multiplication. I am just multiplying the numerator of the first number and denominator of the second number, that is 5 into 7, and write in left, and then multiplying the denominator of the first number and the numerator of the second number in writing in left. 5 7 ja 35, 3 2 ja 6, and you know 35 is greater than 6, so in the side left side 5 by 3 is greater than 2 by 7. So this is the way of cross multiplication method. Now my dear students, we have to arrange given rational numbers in ascending or descending order. So how we can arrange? Arranging the given rational numbers in ascending order or descending order. Here I am taking an example. Arrange minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by minus 12 and minus 7 by 16 in ascending order. First, write the given numbers as it is. Minus 3 by 4, minus 5 by minus 12 and minus 7 by 16. Now, then write the numbers in standard form. Minus 3 by 4 is in a standard, okay. Minus 5 by minus 12 is not in a standard form, so I am multiplying it by minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. Then it will be 5 by 12 positive. Minus 7 by 16 is in a standard form, so it's okay. Now, find the LCM of the denominators 4, 12 and 16. 4, 12 and 16. The LCM is 48. You can see. So the LCM of 4, 12, 16 is 48. Now we have to write this number as 48 denominator, this number as 48 as denominator, this number as 48 as denominator. So minus 3 by 4. In this I am multiplying here the numerator and denominator by 12. to make it 48 minus 36 by 48. 5 by 12 is changed into number having denominator 48 by multiplying it by 4, and minus 7 by 16 is also multiplied by 3 in the numerator and denominator both, and make it 48 as denominator. Now you can see the numbers minus 36 by 48, 20 by 48, and minus 21 by 48. Then write the resulting numbers in ascending order, like minus 36 by 48, then minus 21 by 48, and then 20 by 48. Hence, minus 36 by 48 is for minus 3 by 4, so I am writing here 3 by 4. Minus 21 by 48 is for minus 7 by 16, here I am writing minus 7 by 16. And then 20 by 48 is for 5 by 12, and 5 by 12 is for minus 5 by minus 12, so I am writing here minus 5 by minus 12. So it is the ascending order of the given rational numbers. To write in descending order, we can converse, just reverse the way, that is, write the resulting numbers in descending order and then write the descending order. It means minus 5 by 12, then minus 7 by 16, then minus 3 by 4 from left to right. Dear students, I think you know well how we can compare two given rational numbers and how can we represent given rational numbers in ascending or descending order. You can watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.